Hi, good evening, everyone. So I hope everyone is enjoying their meal. um, Hindi po talaga ako sanay magsalita sa harapan ng maraming tao. It's either, sabi ko kanina, either nahihimatay ako or tumatakas ako. Pero, ayun, so how do I start? I've been bargaining this moment to Ruan since the day she told me that I need to prepare a speech on her wedding day. Between the two of us, siya yung mas confident in speaking in front of many people. This is her thing, not mine. We are extreme in a million ways. I remember when we were in first year high school, we belong to different barkada. Sila yung common students na makikita mo sa library or sa computer room. Kami yung tatambay lang sa basketball court to watch games, or those students na makikita mo sa corridor na kumakanta holding songbooks or naglalaro ng magic cards. So siya yung ladylike, ako yung boy next door. They're the type that would raise hands in class to give right answers to the professor, while I belong to the group who will stand up just for the sake of class participation. So, even sa interest, magkaiba kami. Ruan loves reading. She used to have this complete collection of love stories pocketbooks. It is perfectly lined up sa bookshelf niya na alam niya kapag may nawalang isa. At alam niya kung sino yung nanghiram. Ako yung more of Goosebumps, horror pocketbooks, or Archie comics. So again, siya na naman yung ladylike, ako na naman yung boy. If I were to be asked during that time if I wanted to be friends with Ruan, I might possibly say no. Because we really do have different interests. Not until we reached third year high school that we started to hang out and really get to know each other. Since then, we become inseparable. She used to go to a different college no first year, but she transferred to my school on our second year. We shared the same locker, and we would regularly leave notes for each other every day just to say hi or just to update each other of how our day went. Every corridor that we meet up has always been exciting. We hug and make beso-beso as if hindi kami nagkikita. I can say that our friendship already passed the test of time. 7 years of friendship also entails patience, encouragement, trust, and love. We have our fair share of tampuhan as well. Our friendship is not at all perfect, but we choose to stick to each other and promise to be there for each other no matter what. Now that you are guys married, I know our plans of traveling together will be lessened. But I know for sure that we will still find time to catch up and spend time. I know Patrick has already embraced me in his life as well. And will let you continue to be who you are and do things that you wanted to do. I just wish both of you more happiness, love, and plenty of inaanaks for me. Yun lang. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Catherine, for that well-prepared speech and wonderful, wonderful message for the couple. Thank you.